Functions of the sense organs of the human body. Here are the 5 sense organs of the human body. We have the eye, nose, ears, tongue, and the skin, or the hand. Let us answer the following questions below. Observe your mother while they are doing household chores. Did you notice how their body parts work? What body parts did they use while doing the chores? Question number 2. Remember when your teacher sang a song? What parts of her body did she use? What part of your body lets you hear her sing? Question number 3. How are you able to taste the food that you eat? Identify which sense organs do we use for each picture. Correct. It's the nose. What about on this picture? Correct. We use our eyes to read the text in the books and to see the pictures, while we use our hands to turn the pages. What about on this picture? What sense organ do we use to taste the lemon? Correct. We taste it using our tongue. What about in this picture? Yes, we use our ears to listen to music. Remember that your sense organs are very important. First is the sense of sight. Your eyes are your sense organs for seeing. We can use our eyes to watch televisions. When we look inside our eyes, we can see different parts. Sense of hearing is the second one. Your ears are your sense organs for hearing. You can use your ears to listen to music and to listen to someone who is talking. We can find the smallest bone in the human body inside our ears. It is called stapes. Stapes plays a crucial role in the hearing process by transmitting sound vibrations from the middle ear to the inner ear. That is the reason why we can hear. Third is the sense of smell. Your nose is your sense organ for smelling. It lets you identify things because of their smell or odor. It also helps you breathe. Fourth is the sense of taste. Your tongue is your sense for tasting. It is a thick muscular organ inside your mouth. It is important in your speech. It also helps you swallow your food. Because of the taste buds in our tongue, we can taste sweet, bitter, salty, and sour foods. The fifth one is the sense of touch. Your skin is the largest organ in your body. Your skin covers almost every part of your body. It protects your body against bacteria from the surroundings. It also serves to regulate your body temperature.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more educational content. See you in the next video.